So, Roadmap to Sustainable Health and Fitness with Dr. Donatus Chukwudo. Today we are looking at adequate nutrition. Nutrition in this context is talking about the food we eat. The food we eat. And the food we eat comes in different classes. We have carbohydrates that has the bulk of energy that we spend on a daily basis. We have fats that equally have enormous energy stored in the body, which could be called up when the need arises, although it is difficult to be metabolized. Then also we have proteins, which helps in growth and repair. And then we equally have the vitamins, the minerals that basically are for maintenance of body tissues. And then of course there is water. Water is a solvent, and it aids in the transportation of nutrients and oxygen to body tissues. And the last item on the classification is fiber. Fiber helps in digestion and absorption of food substances. It is actually the combination of these classes of food in the right portion and proportion at the right time by an individual that we call adequate nutrition. That is, when you have taken all of this in the right portion and in the right proportion and at the right time, we say you have taken adequate nutrition. And all human beings need adequate nutrition on a daily basis. But then the need level is not the same. Some persons require some form of nutrition at a point in time than the other. Well, let's look at the factors that determines our daily need for nutrition and for food. One is age, of course. Children require food that promotes vitality, growth, and development, whereas adults need more of food that enhances repair and maintenance of body tissues. Another factor that determines our need for food is sex. Men, again, because of their larger muscle mass, indeed larger body mass, need more food than women. Another factor is your activity level, the activity level of the individual involved. Those who are involved in rigorous, serious activities, very active people, will need more food because the activities they are involved in causes a lot of wears and tears, and there is the need to take adequate nutrition regularly on a daily basis so as to be able to effect necessary repairs as it should be. And then one's health condition is another very important factor. Those who suffer from certain conditions like diabetes have special diets that they may be required to take. And so balanced or adequate diet for such a person may be different from the adequate diet for a healthy person. And so is somebody who may be hypertensive and an obese person, or some suffering from some other conditions like heart condition. So your health condition determines what you should take on a daily basis, and that's very important. Of course, body size is another factor. People who have large body mass will definitely, whether male or female, will definitely need more food to maintain that their body size. Yeah, there are a number of factors here and there that play a role in determining what you eat. But all said and done, you need to take adequate diet to be able to get health benefits of taking food. And talking about health benefits, one of them is that taking adequate diet helps to promote body immunity. The body is able to fight diseases because of the nature of the food the individual takes. So it's very important to promote or enhance the immunity of the individual. Another health and fitness benefit is that adequate diet promotes the decline in unhealthy or undesirable cholesterol, that's LDL, and enhances the acquisition of the healthy or desirable cholesterol, the HDL. So that's another very important factor. So while it reduces the quantity of undesirable cholesterol, that of the desirable cholesterol increases, and that is very, very important. Adequate nutrition also helps to promote vitality, to promote strength, to promote vigor. One who eats or takes adequate diet is strong and firm. Again, adequate diet, in short, generally promotes the health of the individual such that it becomes like a preventive measure to a lot of other sicknesses that would have come. Once one takes adequate diet, it prevents so many problems that would have cropped up. And even when sicknesses may come up, because a person is involved in has been taking adequate diet, it helps promote recovery. The individual is able to recover quickly or faster from such illnesses. So it's like one taking immunization against disease. So adequate diet is like you have attempted immunizing yourself against diseases. In fact, it is the first medicine, and in fact it's very, very vital for everyone to be involved in that. And with that, you may know, and many other conditions, particularly other components of this roadmap, if you are able to take care of all of that, in addition to this adequate nutrition, you may not even be sick at all. So, in a nutshell, I think I will encourage us to see to it that we make it a habit to always have adequate diet as it relates to us as individuals, because what is adequate for A may not be adequate for B. And if we do that, we will be able to run away from different diseases that could have come if we are not well fed. And even when they come, recovering is actually much faster. Thank you very much for listening to me. Don't forget again to subscribe if you have not done so. But if you have done that, thank you for subscribing. Share it with your friends so that they too can be part of this program. Till we meet again, remember that your health and your fitness, they are in your hands. Take responsibility. God bless you. So, Roadmap to Sustainable Health and Fitness with Dr. Donatus Chibudo. Today we are looking at adequate nutrition. Nutrition in this context is